Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Eloisa. Happy birthday to you.
Baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you.
Happy birthday.
And if you like midnight driving with the windows down, and if you like going places we can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, then baby, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect. So let's start right now.
Hi Eloisa, it's Dan Solon here wishing you a very happy birthday. My wish for you on your birthday is that you continue to live a happy, fulfilled, and enriching life. And as for how using Virtual Champions has impacted our business, all I can say is if you went out of business, I'd go out of business with you. So thank you so much for all that you've done for me. And I hope we have a beneficial relationship for many years to follow.
Happy birthday, Eloisa from Sydney. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for all of your support. My wish for you is that I don't ever change any names of any custom fields ever again to mess up your make.com automation. I just want to say thank you so much for Virtual Champions for providing us the support. We are leaning into one system which is going to add so much value to our business. So thank you so much for your continued support and putting up with me changing custom fields. Happy birthday.
Hello, good morning, Eloisa. Happy birthday to you. Your team requested this, which is a nice video for you. That's very, very, very sweet. Kudos to you and your team, and have a lovely day with your family, friends. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Ate Eloy. My wish for you is to have genuine happiness and contentment in life. And we thank you for your life, for being a blessing to everyone. Stay strong and beautiful.
Happy birthday, Ate Eloy. Thank you for always being a great mentor, for always sharing your knowledge and guidance with the team. Wishing you more courage, growth, and more power. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Eloy. So, ang wish ko for you is sana mabalikan mo yung undergraduate degree mo and makakuha ka na rin ng diploma. Hopefully, maipasok mo siya sa priorities mo. And of course, I also wish na maging successful yung other business ventures mo in order for you to inspire more people and help more people around you. So, yun lang. Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May mga heart pa. Ginawa ko to sa gym din bang habang nag-swimming ka sa sauna. Happy birthday, sir. Ang wish ko, pumili ka na ng building para makapagpatayo na tayo ng co-working space, coffee shop, gym, tsaka badminton court. Amen.
Happy 40th birthday, Miss Eloy. I just want to thank you for your existence, for Virtual Champions, and of course for making me realize that meron pa palang mabait, generous, and makataong boss. Ang dami kong bagay na gustong ipagpasalamat na meron ako ngayon because of you. And I just want to wish you continued success and sana hindi po kayo magsawang tumulong sa ibang tao. Yun lang, and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Nay Eloy. My wish to you is more. More clients to come, more happiness in life, and more children kung plano niyo pa ni Kuya Da. Yun lang po. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Eloy! Wishing you all the good things, not just today, but always. Stay healthy and strong. And here's to more adventure for us, for VC, for everybody. I love you!
Hi Nang, happy birthday! Ang wish ko for your birthday ay world domination. Hindi, ang wish ko is sana mas marami pa tayong ma-bless with the opportunity na makapag-work sa VC and sana mas makapag-expand pa tayo sa mas marami pang countries. And syempre, good health for you and your family. Ingat kayo palagi. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Eloisa! My wish for you is good health and mas marami pang blessing, mas marami ka pang bless.
Hi, Ate Eloy. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more business to come. Yun lang. Thank you. Love you. Mwah.
Loy, happy birthday. 40th birthday, no? Welcome to the club. Wish all the best. I love you.
Hi, Eloy. Ayan, may pa-countdown pa po tayo sa birthday mo. And there. And may pa-fireworks pa po tayo. So, gusto lang kitang batiin sa iyong kaarawan. I hope you enjoy this day. And I hope happy ang puso mo ngayong araw na ito. And also, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na pinagtagpo niya tayong dalawa at nag-click yung attitude natin. Kina-consider kita as one of my closest and best friends talaga ever since nung college. And ayun nga, super pasalamat ako at naging friend kita. And kung ano man ang marating natin sa buhay, I hope walang magbabago doon sa samahan nating dalawa. Ayun. Thank you and thank you sa lahat ng naiambag mo sa aking life. And I hope talaga and mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to, and also I hope na maging masaya yung family niyo dyan sa Bataan. Hi, happy birthday!
Lois, happy birthday! More years to come and good health and successful business. Mini Daryl. My birthday wish for you, Lois, is to more business. Love you, Lois.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Eloisa. Hinaot nga ano na may katuigan nga ihatag kanimo. Hinaot ako nga magmalampuso ng inyong negosyo sa inyong trabaho. Love you, Lois. Ang akong wish po, Loy, nga hanggang may lawas na ang imong trabaho nga mo asinso o ang iyong negosyo nga mo asinso. Orang na akong ika-1. Love you, Loy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita! We love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Eloy. I wish that you will have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Eloy. May you have many more birthdays to come and have good health.
Happy birthday, Tita Eloy. I wish your wish will come true.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for your sacrifices and bringing us love and gifts. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Thank you for gift. Thank you po hindi pinapalo kami. Love me on. Tsaka thank you sa Kinder City na pinapararo mo kami. At tsaka thank you sa pagkain na niluluto mo. Love you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you, Mommy, because of you. I love you so much. I kiss me all day, and you hug me every day too, and you give me a present and a pizza all the time ago. And love you. Thank you. Bye.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. I want you to friends, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich.
Walang message.
Wala kang message? Ba't nandiyan ka pa? Wala akong maisip eh. Hindi, joke lang. Happy birthday, Mami. Gusto ko lang malaman mo kung gaano ako proud sa'yo, kung gaano ako proud sa mga bagay na na-achieve mo at meron ka this time. And gusto ko lang ding ma-realize mo na super proud ako sa'yo personally. Bilang anak at bilang isang batang saksi sa... Hindi, nakita ko naman din kasi kung paano mo pinaghirapan at kung paano mo ginapang yung pangarap mo. And gusto ko lang din malaman mo na yun, lagi nga kitang binibida sa mga klase ko eh. Lagi kong sinasabi na ikaw yung inspirasyon ko sa mga bagay na meron ako, nag-achieve ko. At kung bakit ako nag-excel sa school, sa mga organization na meron ako. Lahat yun, may parte ka doon. Lahat yun, may kwento tayong dalawa doon. And gusto ko lang din malaman mo na I'm really happy and I'm really thankful sa lahat ng mga bagay na binibigay mo sa akin. And thank you for being the provider of the family. Thank you for giving me all of the things na kailangan ko, for having this kind of privilege na binibigay mo sa akin. Lahat yun nakikita ko at lahat yun thankful ako. Yun lang, and happy birthday. I love you, Mami.
Hi, Mi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to the most beautiful woman of my life. Kaya nga. Siguro pansampung take ko na to, pero try ko pa rin. Sa sobrang dami na gusto kong sabihin, hindi ko na alam kung paano pagkasyahin lahat. At masaya, no? Kasi lahat kami actually masaya para sa araw na to. Na-greet ka sa napaka-special na araw. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na maraming salamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat. It's been 40 years, no? Until now, wala pa rin nagbago. Ikaw pa rin ang isa sa mga pinaka-genuine na tao na nakilala ko. Kung meron mang isa na labis na umahanga sa'yo, ako yun. Sobrang hanga ko sa talino mo, sa galing mo. All around. Isang package lang lahat, napakagaling mo. Kahit kami mga bata, proud na proud kami sa kung ano ka naging. So, kung meron man akong wish sa birthday mo, isa lang. Siguro number 1 talaga yung health. Ingatan mo palagi yung sarili mo, yung health mo, kasi marami ang umaasa sa'yo, lalo na ngayon na marami ng medyo lumalaki na ang lumalawak na ang business, no? But nandito lang ako palagi, nakasuporta sa'yo. Handang tulungan ka anytime you need me. Yun lang, May. Alam mo naman gano'ng kita kamahal. Siguro yung ibang message ko kailangan ko isulat. Sa sobrang dami na gusto sabihin, kailangan ko yata talaga isulat. Isasend ko sa'yo. Ikaw nang bahala magbasa. But May, happy birthday. I love you.